Off the 90.
Of judgment, and we're about and Sunny, a live match.
Off the 90 for the day.
Because Akashdeep bowled on strike. It starts off with a single. When you look at the weather around, I think it's a good crowd that is coming. Or even have another slip. Because the ball is still hard and new, it's just 60. Little surprised he's bowling from that end because he bowled so well from the...
Crawley helped a little bit. The wafted.
That's well played in the end. And it bounced off a length. Adjusted well, took his bottom hand off. And you know, sometimes people think it's only wins or losses that, you know, like that. With an offer, put that away.
It's a real test, isn't it?
He's a little unlucky here, Oliport, but India get the breakthrough, an extra bounce here for Akashdeep.
They're all talking about Akashdeep.
So experienced you are. Is away. With a couple of runs, he'll feel the extra bounce it hits, and will get more, you know, settling forward.
Yeah, his pace has been at an average of 84.6.
India know that, and he'll be very satisfied if India can draw level, because without Bumrah,
Will change. And Stokes in terms of defense and attack. I think, well, actually, it's about play.
Oh, lucky Jadeja didn't get it on the first attempt. Slight misunderstanding there. Yes, no. He's always asking questions.
The finger's gone. Kept a little low too. He's reviewing it. Took him.
But the Indian fans have... And in sublime form. Clipped away. And that'll be a boundary for Stokes. As Mark Butcher said, a bit in and a bit out. An impeccable line. What about 3 slips? How many runs have they got to play? Oh, nearly dragged on. He went to play, he then thought about leaving it. And luckily, it just went past the stumps.
This is highly skilled stuff. Changing from over and around the wicket between right and left hand.
As it gets past mid-on, gets a hand on it, saves the boundary. Just be a couple.
Lions played, didn't they, against India 8? But this is the sort of situation that brings the best out of Ben Stokes. Is this Test cricket?
Chipped off him at the moment. Harry Brook walked.
Something would happen on the final day.
Are they bowling on a different pitch?
Everyone's a coconut. Just got
Excellent drive. Jadeja is not going to catch up with that. Looks in great touch, Jamie Smith. England are going to need more.
Looks like he's getting ready. He's got protection out there, so it will just be a singer. Turn already. And bounce.
There. Almost. There's good bowling this from Jadeja. Has learnt it very quickly from the previous test, understands the links that he needs to bowl. The one thing that we've seen from the pavilion end when Prasidh Krishna bowls is some extra.
Straight to that fielder on the leg side. That extra spiteful bounce that you highlight. Would that suit your taste, Malibu and Cherryade? Talk about white ball cricket. Champion. Very good from Stokes. Let the ball come, waited, and then full flourish of the blade down to third man. Beautiful shot. The only way Stokes is going to be able to hit it.
Go over square leg.
Sweep, which is played and played fine enough for 4, beats the man sort of about where the circle would have been inside that. I think actually led to his undoing. He goes past the outside edge again. When he bowls to the left-hander, it's a different game completely. 82% is the lowest.
Rough.
In. He'll play the sweep shot, played fine enough for 4. 150 comes up for England, but the runs have long gone out of the calculation. It's really firing it into that rough now, and it'll test Jamie Smith's defense here. Now they think it's pad first. The finger's gone up. Straight away Washington Sundar realized it was pad first. Now it's up to Ben Stokes to have a word with his non-striker. He's taken it, but I'll tell you what, if it is pad first, it's very, very adjacent.
To be umpired to director, we have a player review.
Little behind was laid on the shot. One bang on the stroke of luck, but it's now with
New man out there. Gamble with the... he's so deep there. KL Rahul. Ben Stokes had one off the glove, off the bowling of... And all they're looking to do is...
It'll be very interesting to see whether he...
Spin, cross him towards... Boring England ringing out around.
53 overs after this. There's plenty of time in the game.
The bottom edge. Just giving Jadeja all the encouragement he needs to persist with this over the wicket angle. guess the challenge for him.
Says quite a bit.
Wow. When he decides to come, there's no holding back from Jamie. Gets that one away. That'll be 4 as well. A little bit off a thick outside edge, but quite deliberate that he got it that fine. 6 more. That has gone flat. One of Ravi's tracer bullets. 190 for 6.
Edge through. He's only got 2 catches there. A first slip and a sort of a fourth and a half. Another opportunity created though by Akashdeep, but the catches aren't in place. A couple in front of the bat.
I think the way he's bowling, especially when...
Top edge, simple catch. England 7 down, the plan has worked.
Thrilled to bits. They gave him the strike. You're absolutely right. Should one get a good game, Benedict?
Goes for the Yorker over pitches, and that's going to run away for a boundary to Jamie Smith.
Others can actually... That'll run away to the boundary. There's nobody there. The ball goes unhindered towards...
A left boot on it. Thinking, no, it's not going to go. And he's going to take him on, and we've seen that a few times. It's a short hit in that direction, all the way for 6.
Yeah, he took it on at Headingley, didn't it? And it cost him just before the second new ball.
Short again. That has gone miles. It has gone way back. At no stage was Jamie Smith worried about that one.
Yeah, pulling to the other way, hit one out of the ground.
Slow one. This will not go all the way. That will be 5 wickets for Akashdeep. His first 5-wicket haul in Test match cricket. And he is running around Edgbaston. Why wouldn't you? What a bowl. He's exhausted.
The extent to it.
Big slog sweep. It's a dangerous shot out the rough, but he's nailed it. Short and smash leg side. And the Hollies think it's gone all the way. They're going to check it. Nailed. On the up, a little bit wide, a little bit of a loosener.
Yeah, I said he's got some... In the air. He's got him. Brilliant catch. Mohamed Siraj. Indian players charge towards him. Awesome bit of fielding.
Yeah, fantastic, especially for a...
That's up in the air. Oh, put that down, misshots it. And Mohammad Siraj. Shoaib Bashir takes the aerial route and clears the fence with a 6. And it's disappeared. Yes, didn't pick it up in the gap for 4. Over the slip cordon, frustration continues. This is up in the air. It's the captain who finishes it. And that's a fitting end.
10 wickets for Akashdeep.
And then taking the final catch.
Every single catch did. Gautam Gambhir.
Lots in. And arguably, I thought they might have won a second when